Hi, I'm Joel Karsten, pioneer of the Straw Bale Gardens method, and we're here today in a straw bale garden to talk a little bit about the new book, Straw Bale Solutions. We're going to show you different projects around the world of where people had a particular problem that they were able to address by using the Straw Bale Gardens method. In certain places, it's about they get too much rain and they need better drainage. Do you have soil that's conducive for planting a garden? If you have a real severe slope and it rains, it's all gonna wash down the hill. Straw bale gardening is a great solution for that. You're gonna see your problem and how it was a solution for you is gonna be the same as the people in the book. So I think it is for people who are already straw bale gardeners. When you can read about these other gardeners all over the world that are having success with straw bale gardening. And hopefully it'll be that extra little push you need to follow that dream you've always had of having a straw bale garden, be able to walk out in your backyard and pick vegetables and bring them in the house and have those vegetables for dinner. People who do straw bale gardening tend to never go back to traditional gardening. So be cautious. If you try it, it's gonna get you hooked and you're gonna fall in love with this method of gardening.